Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti, and today I'm gonna show you my top 5 DIY skincare, and I'm so excited for that. And about DIY, while trying out a new DIY, make sure you know the ingredient. Don't try just any ingredient. For this DIY, I use the ingredients that I know suit my skin, and there were like some errors and all. Like, I tried ingredients that didn't suit me, but I have been using these things for like quite a long time, so I know these things are just good for my skin. These things have been working really well for me, so I thought of sharing these things with you, and I have five DIY skincare to share with you for 5 different concerns. So I really hope that if you choose to try these things, this help you out. Being said all these things, let's start. Number 1, the first cleanser, the soothing cleanser. You know I'm a big fan of micellar water or cleansing milk, but sometimes I also use oat milk or soya milk as first cleanser. These things feel so soothing and calming, after a long day. I come back, so sometimes I have this oat milk in my freezer, and I take out the oat milk and I take a cotton and soak the cotton in that oat milk, and I just wipe my skin with it. It doesn't remove heavy makeup, but it removes sunscreen. And then I follow up with a second cleanser, which is a foam based cleanser, but gentle foam based cleanser. And yeah, this method has been working well for me. But yeah, sometimes I also use cleansing oil, then micellar water or cleansing milk. Those things also work really well. But even this oat milk or soya milk, these things work well. When it used with like a second cleanser, this can be a good cleansing routine, I think so. But if you're allergic to soya milk or oat milk, then this is not for you. And also what I do, sometimes I soak those cotton things with oat milk or soya milk, and I put those cotton on for like 3 to 5 minutes, almost like a sheet mask, and then I wash it off, and it feels so soothing, calming, and my skin feels like soft. So yes, this is something what I've been doing on and off. So number 2, hydrating face pack. For that I use honey, aloe vera, then cocoa powder. So I take like 50% cocoa powder, 30% aloe vera, and 20% honey. Then I mix these things well to a semi-thin texture, and I apply this on clean skin. On damp skin, actually I spray some toner before applying this mask. This way this mask works better for my skin. Then I keep this mask on for like 10 minutes, then I wash it off or just wipe it with those makeup or skincare removing pads. And yeah, it just my skin feels hydrated, my skin feels smooth, it makes my skin feel so good. And I have been doing this thing for a while, and I really like it, especially during the summertime. I use like cool aloe vera in this mask, and it just feels so soothing, and it really helps me out as a after sun treatment, or whenever my skin needs like a hydrating face mask. I do this. Number 3, a soothing face mask. For that I use matcha green tea and oat milk, or you can take soya milk as well. Sometimes I use rice water, fermented rice water. Even rice water has helped my hair and skin a lot. I love rice water. Even tea se yaad aaya, the tea bags. Sometimes I keep used tea bags in the freezer when these are like cool. I close my eyes, then I put those tea bags on my eyes, and I relax for like 10 minutes. It just helps me to calm down. It also helps in depuffing, and yeah, this is something what I do. Now coming back to matcha green tea mask. So what I do, I mix matcha green tea with soya milk or sometimes oat milk, and then I put this on my skin for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and I wash it off. And this mask has been working really well for my skin. Whenever my skin gets irritated, I use this mask, and I have seen results that my skin feels better after using this mask, and I love using this. I have been using this I think for more than 1 year, and this is something I swear by. Number 4, glowing face mask. So for that I need licorice root powder and yogurt, and I love licorice as an ingredient. It works really well in evening out the skin tone. It just gives the glow, you know. And yogurt, I have found yogurt to be very moisturizing, and yogurt also contains lactic acid, but we cannot be sure of like how much lactic acid is present in that yogurt that we are using on our skin for DIY. So yeah, but overall I find yogurt to be very moisturizing for my skin. So I mix these two and I apply this on my skin again for like 10 minutes and 15 minutes I leave it, then I wash it off. It is good. My skin gets moisturized and it is like I can see the glow. So yeah, I swear by this face mask. I have been using this for quite a while. I also have like I think made a video on this long time back and I still use it. Very good thing. So the last one, body scrub. For that I use soft brown sugar, then coconut flour. Just these two. Take like 60% brown sugar and 40% coconut flour. If you want more exfoliation, then you can add coffee powder in this mixture. Then just add few drops of oil, any oil of your choice. I have used Palmer's coconut body oil in this mixture. Then before using it, wet this mixture with your skin, then just massage it all over your body. Use this only for your body, not for your face. I never use this for my face because I'm really careful when it comes to my facial skin. I don't want to over exfoliate my skin, so I don't like use that. Though this scrub gives like soft exfoliation, still I don't want to take the chance. And yeah, I massage this on my skin, then I keep this on my body for like 3 to 5 minutes before washing it off. And yeah, my skin feels like super smooth and I love using this. But sometimes I like feel so lazy. I do not want to invest my time in DIY, so I stick to my regular store-bought scrubs, which work like equally fine, like sometimes better than this thing. But even this one is good. It works really well for me. Scrub meets body mask, something like that. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this DIY skincare tips or what recipes to be helpful, and let me know what is your favorite DIY skincare and what is your like least favorite DIY skincare. Mine is lemon. I hate lemon in skincare. DIY skincare. Then I don't like baking soda as a DIY skincare. Then toothpaste as spot treatment as DIY skincare. I do not like apple cider vinegar as a toner. There was this big thing, this DIY toner with apple cider vinegar. Not a big fan of these things, So yeah, let me know like which things like you don't like and which things you like. So yeah, that's all for now. See you very soon, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more just like this. I talk really fast, when it comes to this part. I don't know why. So yeah, do not forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. And yeah, it was so lovely meeting you, and yeah, take care. Bye bye.